Hi friends, welcome to Tulsi Tech in Creatives. Guys, today topic is how to write the scripting. Guys, nowadays mostly asking what is pipeline script, what is write the Docker file and write the YML script. That's why I tell today how to write the scriptings, how to write the Docker commands, what is pipeline, what is Docker file, what is YML file. Today I will do these topics. Guys, see this. Today topics is what is pipeline, how to write the pipeline code, what is Docker, how to write the Docker file, write the Docker comments, what is Ansible, how to write the Ansible script. Guys, nowadays ask the interviews mostly to write the Docker file and write the pipeline file, write the YML script. That's why today I will conduct these topics. Guys, first topic is what is pipeline. Pipeline is a collection of jobs. It can create the multiple jobs after creating a chain of the all jobs. Then next, what is Docker? Docker is a container management tool and de- develop and deploy an application. See this guys, Docker is a engine. It is a container tool to develop and deploy an application. What is Ansible? Ansible is a configuration management tool and deployment tool. It is a fastest process of deployed throughout Python. Guys, see this how to write the pipeline code. Guys, I will definitely please observe the I will write the pipeline code also and write the Docker file and Docker commits. I will do it, guys. Please observe and carefully. I simply write the scriptings. I will tell the step by step in process. Please observe it. First of all, pipeline script. See this, what is pipeline? Pipeline is a collection of all stages in Jenkins file. See this guys. Agent any. Agent any means a slave nodes and execute the uh, slave nodes and execute the agents. Agents means and slave means and same guys. Don't confuse it. A node is a mission that executes the all workflows in any slave missions. Then stages. What is stage, guys? See this. A stage is a define the different blocks contain the all stages. Next, is steps. See this. A step is a execute the single task. Write the under stages. You can write the steps in single step. Single task will be executed in applications, and then echo cloning the. Observe it, guys. How to write the pipeline code. Cloning the bit bucket. Then write the another stage. Open the brackets and then go to steps. Under stages, under steps write the echo cleaning the then uh, write the Maven goal SHNMVN clean. This is a Maven goals, guys. Don't forget it. You remember it. Maven goals as MVN clean. Clean stage and close the brackets and to another stage. This is a build stage. Under build write the steps. Under steps create then write the Maven goal sh mvn package. Then close the brackets and write the another stage. In text stage, then under stages write the steps. Under steps write the echo testing. Under echo write the Maven goal sh then close the brackets. Then another stage I will write. Stage is deploy stage. Under stage write the steps. Under step the echo woman deploy the the S guys, remember this is a Tomcat deploying tool. Guys, this is a pipeline code. I will write the simple pipeline code. Don't forget this, and you also write the how to deploy the docker file, how to install the Ansible. You can also definitely write the all the stages and you can deploy the application. Definitely you will do it. Next, write the docker file. What is docker? Docker is a engine. It is a container management tool to deploy and develop an application. How to write the docker file? Show it. Write the docker file, guys. I will do it in two Docker files. One is Node.js, another one is Tomcat. How to install the Tomcat, how to run the Tomcat, and then how to install the Node.js, how to run the Node.js. I will I will do it. Please observe it, please carefully, and simply I will saying simply only 4 5 steps I will do it. First of all, from is a base image. You want to base your image from the image name. The image name in node equals 7. This is the image name. Then run the maintainer. Is it maintainer is the email ID who is the maintain the image. This is maintained to see. Your wish, guys, any name you will do, write the any name, and next run, working, next work working directory, where the where the image is stored, or where the display the store, you can write the application path name, slash home slash ubuntu, then run. Run command is, see this, guys, run is used in instruction against the image. Run command is npm install the node.js, then directory, then copy command. Command is what is copy command? Copy command is takes in a src and destination. It only lets you copy in local files. See this, guys, local files are a directory from your host. The mission building the Docker image into the Docker image itself. I will tell the one more time. See this, guys, from is a base image name is a your image. Maintain is a who is the maintainer of the Docker image. This is a maintainer. Work directory, where is the store in Docker file, where the run in Docker file. This is a working directory. Copy means write the destination path and write the destination on local file directories from your host mission and Docker mission. Build the Docker image, then into Docker image itself. This is a copy file. Write the copy package dot app package.js/app, then run. Run is a install npm. See this, guys, remember it how to write this Docker file. First is a from maintainer working directory, copy run, then again copy command dot slash. You can mention it you can don't mention the any destination and any path name. You can write the slash dot slash app, then working on apply the application easily. Then from maintainer working directory, copy run, copy, then expose. Expose means your port is a export. What port is running in Node.js? How to access the port name? This is a series. Inform the Docker container. Listen on the specified network port. Network port at a runtime. See this? This is a expose. Um, I given the port name is 9999. Then CMD. CMD means, say this, CMD means is provide the defaults for an executing container. Is the container Node.js. Node.js Node.js dot app. This is a Node.js application. Write the simple Docker file. Say this, guys. Observing carefully. First of all, from maintainer working directory, copy, run and copy and expose and CMD. Then install another one is Tomcat. How to install the Tomcat, how to run the Tomcat, I will write it. First of all, from is a Tomcat. Is mentioned 8.0. Remember it, guys. Maintainer is who is the maintain the application. So let's see. Then write the working directory. Work dir. Then write the from maintainer work directory and write the expose. Tomcat is running 8080. I will expose the port. Then CMD. CMD means how to start the Tomcat. SH dot command is run the Tomcat. Then run. See this, guys, simply how Docker image, write the image name and maintainer name or working directory and start the Tomcat and run the Tomcat. See this, though you remember it, from maintainer run CMD if and expose. env means instruction of environment variables. This is a key value. And add no command means add a let's use what and copy the URLs and paste it the directory. This is a add command. Then next topic is how to write the Docker commands. Guys, how to write the I will tell how to write the Docker file. Then how to execute the using in Docker file using in Docker commands. Say this. How to execute it, I will do it. first docker build t image name. What is image name is Tomcat 8.0 hyphen alpina. This is a image name. You can run the Tomcat docker build hyphen t Tomcat alpina. Then we expose the port docker run hyphen p. Port number is default port is 8080. You modify the port is 9999. Image name Tomcat 8.0. Once you build the image and once you build the docker file, then create the docker image. Check it the how to check the docker images. Docker display the all image names. Then how to delete the image. Docker rmi image name. This is a delete the image. Then how to all images deleted with the command docker rmi dollar symbol and bracket docker images hyphen q and hyphen close the bracket and hyphen f. This is a delete the all image names. Sorry. Yes, see, this is the all images. We will delete the write the command. And how to run the image. Docker run image name is Tomcat. Then sorry, container name I'll mention it. Kumar. Write the image name Tomcat. How to check the container is running, container creating or not. Docker ps hyphen a. This is it. Check the run create the container or not. Then how to start the container. Docker then once start the container, how to check it. Docker ps container is running or not. This is it, checking the docker ps. Then how to attach the container. Docker attach container then attach or not, we will see this command. And then how to delete the container. Docker rm container id and image name. How to delete the all, how to stop, first of all how to stop this container. Docker stop container To delete the all containers, stopped containers, docker rm dollar open brackets docker a. All ps-a means all containers and -q. This is a delete all containers. Then how to commit and how to log in the Docker Hub, how to push the Docker Hub. I will do it. This how to push the Docker image in Docker Hub. Docker commit Kumar container name and write the Docker Hub login username. So let's see. Write the image name. Don't integrate this on. Image name is Bangalore. Then Docker login. Once login, it is asking Docker username and password. Then you do it the username and password. Then once open the Docker Hub, you can check it how create the image or not. Docker images. Then you can push the image. Docker push. Push the image in Docker Hub. How to pull the Docker Hub and how to run the Docker Hub, how to get the Docker images. Docker run.
According to Wikipedia,
Docker
visual
run
perception, such as a photograph or other two-dimensional picture.
-it. So let's see. Do a command, you can run the images. You can get the Docker Hub to local machine. Anywhere you can do it this using this Docker Hub image name. You can definitely get it. Then other topic is Docker volumes. How to create the volumes. How to existing container you attach the Docker volumes. I will see it. Only two commands I will do it. Only two commands. Docker create the volumes. Then the volume name in KGF. Write the container name. Okay. Then how to existing container we can do it. Docker it hyphen this is a container name volume name and slash 10. This is a container tomcat. Already existing container you can attach the volumes. This guys, this is how to write the simple Docker commands. You can almost cover. You can anything you will do it. Then create images and run delete the images and run the containers and stop the containers and attach the containers and delete the containers and push the image. I will definitely 90% I covered the Docker commands. Remaining we will do it guys. Then next is topic is Next topic is what is Ansible. Ansible is a configuration management tool. Then can deploy and easy and fastest process. This is the Ansible. Ansible write the YAML script and deploy the application easily. How to do it? How to write the YAML script? I will do it. Is name equal to play1 hyphen name equal to play1. This is the Ansible playbook name. Write the playbooks in different Ansibles, different servers. This is the Ansible playbook name, and host is run the any slave missions on any node missions. Host means any you can run it. Then under host mission you can write the tasks. Under task, execute the task means execute the separate servers on server is installed on Tomcat, another server is installed in Java, another server is installed in Maven. This is a task, different task. You will run the you create the users and run it. First of all, name is execute the command equal to date. I will simply only basic YAML script. You can do it. You can run it the Tomcat also, run Maven also. Any will do it. I simply saying in on Ansible command. Date is scripting. Date is 1 minute. Series command date. Name equal to execute. I will write the one small Apache. I will write the Apache small and YAML script. See this. I will script. I will execute the script and script. Then name equal to hyphen name in and install the HTTPD means Apache. These guys, I will install the small, I will write the small Apache Tomcat environment script. I will apply the application and Apache install the HTTP server. present. present state. Name colon and execute commands and execute the script and install the HTTP server. Then start the HTTP server. HTTP started the services. Write the server name HTTPD. Then state is started. This is a small application in YML script and Apache. I will write the Apache YML script. How to execute the Ansible. How to execute the playbook in YML script. Ansible -m playbook name. Ansible -m playbook name. This is a command and execute the playbooks. See this guys, all topics is completed. How to, what is pipeline, how to write the pipeline code, what is Docker, how to write the Docker files and how to write the Docker commands, what is Ansible, how to write the YML script. All topics is completed guys. I will tell the one extra comment. YML script is a using in Kubernetes also. Tell this tell the topic is also. First of all, what is Kubernetes? Guys, what is Kubernetes? What is Kubernetes? Kubernetes is a open source platform for automating and deployment and scaling the application in automation tool. Container is a cluster creation of hosts. Simply saying is Kubernetes is a orchestration tool. Kubernetes is an open source platform and scale up the application in automatic. This is a simply saying in definition. How to write the Kubernetes scripting also I will do it. YML script first. API version name you mention it. Then kind means pod name, pod getting the pod services. This is pod mean, kind means getting the pod services. Then go to meta. Under metadata you will write this scripting name and image name. This is the image name. Hello. Then you can install Tomcat also. You understand me? Tomcat 8.0. run the image name also. Image name also you can write it. Minute guys, small 1 minute guys, my charging is slow. I am connect my charger. 1 minute. Charger cable. Then write the name in Tomcat. Under Tomcat you can write the specifics. Can do it the name, container name, the container name is Tomcat, image name, then under the mention it. See this guys, can create the version and kind getting the kind and services and metadata is under metadata by the name Tomcat. Under specific the you can mention it container name and container image. Then then networking port you can mention is container port, container port, and run this. Will do it 700. Then this image pull policy is run always. Then database the image, this is a port of the image names is a run the MongoDB. Then on the container mention container port is mentioned here, container port equal to 7001. I mention it. This guys, this is a simply creating in Kubernetes. Install the Docker OML script. See this guys, today class is very important and present. Can interviewer also ask him write the Docker file and write the Docker comments and write the ML scripting. Also ask him, then definitely you can remember it. Don't forget these topics. Guys, I think I understanding this session. Please like and share and comment. Don't forget the bell icon. Please guys, don't subscribe my channel and more videos. I'll definitely do it the uh, DevOps classes also. Bye guys, thank you. Bye.